It's good to see you, buddy.
You too, guys.
Nice to see you.
I'm blessed.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. How do I look?
You look great. You look great, man.
Still got all the hair. The plumbing works.
The plumbing works.
How can I complain, man? Just bought a new convertible Porsche. Been married 30 years. Got 2 grandkids.
Awesome, man.
But you know, I've seen a picture of Flair, and to be the nature boy, there's 3 prerequisites. You can't be on Social Security. You got to have a full head of hair, and you can't use Viagra. So strike 3, he's out, and I felt it incumbent upon myself to come back in the picture.
You should.
Now watch God strike me going, oh, yeah. Brother, if I was a woman, you'd be in me.
Oh! We got you, man.
Look, I was going to lend you my brush.
There's a guy walking around here that's trying to be you. I saw him walking around.
Who, Austin Idol?
Oh!
This guy, he's like pushing his hair and doing everything.
Yeah.
He like disappeared.
Where is it?
He's gone.
He was in the restaurant last night playing promos.
You guys give me a call, okay? Anytime.
Hey, take it easy, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
I love you guys.
We love you. In that way.
I got to go to the room. Be back in a little bit.
What do I say to that? What do I say to that?
I like it. Everybody, you can never get enough of me.
Excuse me, buddy. He's just reading a book or something.
Yeah. Come on, follow.
Here we go.
Well, you're a brother, my man. You stole my gimmick. You stole my gimmick, my man. Right down, my man. God bless you, man. Only good. I got one real, man.
Oh, I don't drink anymore.
Only nonsense, man.
Yeah, I quit at 5 this morning.
5 o'clock. It's a pleasure, my man. I gotta tell you that.
Oh, shit.
That's how we roll.
That's the way we do it all night long. Just all night long.
What I used to do all night takes me all night to do, but nonetheless, I'm still there, baby.
Got hold of
The faces that lost
my good side,
1,000.
my good side.
Yeah, plus I want to get the Rolex in.
Get it all in, brother. Get it all in. Give me a woo.
I never did that queer woo. That's what Flair did.
I gotta tell you, Rush, I stole.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta tell you how it happened. In Charlotte.
Are you running out of tape or something?
No,
Oh,
you might be dying.
oh, no, what's that?
No, that's not.
And I heard Landell today.
Story, actually.
I know he's a queer. What about him?
Yeah.
And I looked over, and now you're saying that, you had the brush up. You used my hair. The light bulb went off. The light bulb went off. Oh my God, it's money.
I love it.
Take the gimmick everywhere, brother. Puts me over, so you can go crazy.
Okay, right, dude.
Thank you.
Money in the bank.
Done deal, brother. Done deal.
My man. I passed my moniker on to
Passing the
a
torch.
better man.
Thank you, brother. It is a pleasure.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
That was nice.
I'm just trying to narrow it down to Dawn Marie, Sonny, or Terry Ronalds. Just trying to figure which one would look better drooping. To be continued.